Welcome back to ClayDesk.AI. I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate the box fill calculator. It's a very effective calculator, but before we actually do a demo, quickly, what is a box fill calculator? So simply, a box fill calculator is a tool which is used to determine how many electrical wires, devices, and fittings that you can safely fit inside an electrical box. So hey, it's used for construction, it's for electricians who are working in the construction industry or building new homes or installing their electrical conduits and electrical boxes as well. So of course they have to comply with the National Electrical Code, which is NEC, and of course you can download all the NEC data here as well, the actual codes that if you're an electrician you would be needing. All right, let's go ahead and do the demonstration. So what this calculator does is simply calculate the NEC compliant box fill for electrical installation. So for example, let's say you have a box size and there are different sizes. So what we've done here is we've put all the different sizes pretty much, or you can define your own custom size if you're working on a custom project. But pretty much the standard box, for example, is 18 or 20.3 or 21 cubic. So it depends on what exactly you wish to use. So let's stick with the 4-inch square box. And then of course the conductor size, you can choose the gauge, for example, number 12, 14, 10, or 8. These are pretty common that you will be actually using. So I'm going to go ahead and stick with, let's say we choose 12. And then number of conductors, we are going to go and say 3. Number of devices, 1. Clamps, 1. Just keeping things simple, and ground wires is also 1. And you can of course add more if you want based on your own requirements. So once you've specified all of the data here, and then simply go ahead and calculate, and boom, it will calculate for you as far as the box capacity is concerned, the required fill, the remaining capacity, and the status as per the NEC codes, because we cross-match, our AI cross-matches with the NEC codes. But of course, you can definitely need to verify on your own end as well. So here, your box fill calculation meets the NEC requirements with 4.5 remaining capacity. All right, and you can download the results if you need to. You simply click on the download button, and it will open up the box for you, and you can download and save the results for you. So it's very effective if you need to use the box fill calculator. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions. And if you can't find a calculator, by the way, on our site, you can simply navigate to ClayDesk.AI, find all the calculators. You can search for any of these calculators. So if I'm looking for, let's say, any other calculator, for example, in the construction industry, right? So gallons per square foot calculator, drywall calculator, gravel driveway, and you name it. So you can search all these calculators, see how they work, very effective. And of course, we've integrated AI, so that's pretty good. So if you can't find it, let us know. Reach out to us. I'll be happy to include one. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.